Morning, how are we doing? I don't generally do non-shaving shave videos. Some of you may notice this is the second one I've ever done. However, recently on the UK wet shaving forum there was a Wickham Group buy. This soap was available through the group buy. I mentioned it in the Wickham Spotlight. It's Apricus. If you've seen Kevy Shaves or Rudd's, they've both done a review on this soap. There's the soap in the puck. It's based on Sauvage by Dior, not Eau Sauvage, Sauvage, the original one from 1960, and soap and balm. As part of the group buy, Alpha Shaving, Steve Tinter was involved in it for some brushes. There were 3 handles, a polished aluminium, a satin aluminium and a black, and 2 knots, a badger and a synthetic. The brushes arrived yesterday, so that's the reason for this video today really. Now both brushes arrived in this. It's a bamboo tube. This is the word Alpha on the back there. It's a bamboo tube and the top screws off. There's the other one. If any of you seen my follow me on Instagram, you'll have seen my photo yesterday. So within the tube, box standard tissue paper, branded. So that's how you do a presentation, people. Top notch for presentation. You can't knock it. I've had shaving brushes that were more money than this, that have just come in a cardboard box with bubble wrap in it. So here we have it. Aluminium handle. It's based on Rubberset and a chubby. It's basically a combined sort of design. So as you can see, it's quite short. I think it's 65mm in the handle. There's a 28mm badger knot. And on the edge of the brush, end of the brush, the coin is the Wickham man. So that's the badger, 28mm. Second one, satin aluminium. Quite hard to hold a shaving brush. There we are. Satin aluminium with a 28mm knot. Appears similar to a silk smoke, but it's probably a bit more bulby. It's a bit tighter. And again, in the base there is the Wickham coin. You could order the brushes with or without the coin. It says hunting. Where is it? Also, there was a slight delay getting the brushes out, so Steve threw a freebie in with the handle, in with the brushes, that being a razor handle. They were either stainless steel or brass. Again, logoed on the bottom. There we go, Alpha Shaving. There'll be a link below to Alpha Shaving. That was a freebie thrown in with the brushes because there was a delay with the manufacturing process. I think he was a bit surprised by how many people ordered them. So that is the reason why I haven't used that to date, as I was waiting for a Wickham brush to arrive as part of the group buy, to do a group buy shave. So in the near future you'll see those items being used. Anyhow, there'll be a link below to Alpha Shaving. I did email him through the week referencing another brush shape, and he got back to me very quickly. It's really good comms as well. Link below to Alpha Shaving. That's it for today. I'm now going to go and wash my car. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.